Hi, I'm Stoked. I'm one of the owners of Island Snowboards. We're a local Kuchan-based manufacturer. We do everything in-house here. Today we're going to build a special edition deep cyc. So if you step in here, we'll see what we can get up to. Ready to make a snowboard? Right, like that. Got that extra glass in the nose and the tail, and then like this triple here, it runs straight like contact point to contact point. So kind of like as you like torsionally twist that way, it wants to like snap back from there to there because you're loaded it up. Around the outside, and then underneath all of the like this extra, obviously clean up the base, and then that protective sheet on the top, the top sheet that kind of covers this matte finish, that comes off. Quite good colors.
Yeah, come have a look. This is graphics. Graphics get printed out on like its sublimation. So special ink on the special type paper comes out. We put the white top sheet on top, and then it goes into this, like a flat version of what we just had, except that heats up to 160. The ink sublimates it, turns straight into a gas, goes straight into the top sheet, and then changes the top sheet color. So it's not printed onto it, the top sheet takes on the color. So if you scratch it, you still have your actual colored top sheet behind it.
Oh yeah, this was a test.
But yeah, you'll get the board, and then each person get a print of that, signed, numbered, and it goes on your wall or whatever you want. But yeah, that's just a test. In the summer, this is all woodwork. So we've got like a planer in the middle, a vacuum in the corner, and everything starts here and then flows into that room. So now the work of that is done, showroom side.